My name is Savannah Drury, and we are going to be speaking with the Homecoming Royalty nominees. Hi, who am I speaking with?
Alicia Gutierrez.
Nice to meet you. Hi, who am I speaking with?
Karam Safa.
Nice to meet you too.
Maddie Guevara.
Nice to meet you. Hi, who am I speaking with?
Lance Hayworth.
Jared Rowley.
Kaylin Penaloza.
Nice to meet you.
Diego Duenas.
Alexia Cortez.
Nice to meet you. What's your favorite subject?
All right, so I have two. So the first one is math. Shout out Miss Martinez. And the second one is chemistry. Shout out Miss Herzog. You guys are the greatest teachers.
My favorite subject is yearbook because I love to just capture moments and just put it out there for the whole school to see.
Fantastic. I love that.
My favorite subject is math because I've been working on it, but you know, it's a cool little subject.
My favorite subject is yearbook because I would love to be a part of the school and I love to just capture pictures of everybody.
What is your favorite subject?
Math.
My favorite subject is AP Calculus because of Miss Martinez.
You hear that, Miss Martinez? AP Calculus. What is your favorite subject?
Math.
I'd probably have to say my A is B class just because a lot of my friends are in it and it's fun to work together and like make the posters for the school and support our campus.
You hear that? Support the campus. Do you know what PLAD means, like the acronym?
Like each individual word.
Like PLA, yeah.
P is pride, L is leadership, A is attitude, I is integrity, and D is determination.
Yes, pride, leadership, attitude, integrity, and determination.
Can you say it?
Pride, leadership, attitude, integrity, and determination.
They know what pride means. PLAD. PLAD, they know what PLAD means. I can cut that out.
Yes, pride, leadership, attitude, integrity, and determination.
School spirit. It's like, do you? Just off the top of your head.
Absolutely. Pride, leadership, attitude, integrity, determination.
You heard that, guys? They know PLAD. They know PLAD. Do you know what PLAD means?
Yes, so the P stands for pride, L stands for leadership, A is for attitude, I is integrity, and D is determination.
Hear that, guys? He knows what PLAD means. Do you know what PLAD means?
Of course I know what plaid means. The P stands for pride, L stands for leadership, A stands for attitude, I stands for integrity, and then the D stands for determination.
Do you have a cool talent?
Yes, we do. We can do this. That's our cool talent.
They have a talent combined. Do you want to share any? That's just a talent. All right. See, look at they're very talented individuals. Do you have a cool talent?
I'm fluent in Arabic.
That's pretty cool, dog. That's pretty sick. Not gonna lie.
I'm sorry, no, I'm talentless today.
She's a beauty though.
Oh my God, stop.
She's a beauty though. So it's like, you know.
Yeah, I like to play guitar.
I actually learned how to backflip this summer. I think I'm pretty good at it.
Can you do it right now?
I don't know about right now. I don't want to embarrass myself in front of the camera.
I can ice skate and like do twirls and spin.
Ooh, okay, I see you. And why should people vote for you for homecoming king?
I think I have a lot of school spirit, and it's just something I'm really looking forward to. So if I could really get your guys' vote, that would really help a lot. Thank you, guys.
You heard it here, guys. You should vote for him. Why should people vote for you for homecoming queen?
Just because it's just my senior year. I just want something to like remember.
Something cool, something to like look back on and be like, yeah, that was me. You heard it here, folks.
I feel like people should vote for me because I'm very involved in like the school and I just do a lot and I have a lot of school spirit.
Oh, people should vote for me because I love to be involved with school. I'm very nice to everybody and I feel like, just vote for me. It's the right choice. Vote for me.
Based off the answer on my question, support the campus for ASB. I'm cool, fluent in Arabic, play sports, and I'm always trying to help the campus in every way, so why wouldn't you vote for me?
People should vote for me because I asked them nicely, so please vote for me.
Hear that, guys? He asked nicely. All right, thank you for your time.
I feel like I show pride in my school, and also if you believe that I fit this role, then you can vote for me. But other than that, yeah.
All right, thank you.
Cause why not? My senior year, it'll be a fun thing. I think it'll be great for me. That's why. I think that's why.
All right, thank you for talking with me today. Have a good day.
Thank you, Savannah, for those interviews. And Scots, make sure you guys click the link or find a QR code to scan so you can vote for the nominees.